No one ever expects a flood to wipe out their home, but each year thousands of homeowners lose their belongings to Mother Nature's wrath. If you live in California, you can't afford to miss out on flood insurance. Keep watching as we walk you through everything you need to know. Factors to consider. Where your property is located in the high-risk government flood zone maps, it does play a big factor in the premium. Other factors include the amount of coverage, the deductible, the age of the home, occupancy, the type of building, whether or not you can get an NFIP subsidized policy, get the policy grandfathered, or if you let us shop the growing number of private flood insurance companies in California, including many California Lloyd's of London flood insurance companies. Types of insurance. If you're thinking of shopping around for flood insurance, you have two options. The first is to buy insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP. The NFIP has had a 50-year monopoly on flood insurance, and just recently, the federal government broke it up with BW12, and one of your California representatives was the driving force behind this change. One of the main things this legislation did was allow competition to come into the flood insurance market through the private flood insurance market, which is your second option. Lloyd's of London flood insurance is an example of one of the options. However, it is good to note that there are many Lloyd's of London flood insurance options. Average cost. On average, the cost of California flood insurance is around $793 annually. However, if your property is in a low to moderate California flood zone map, we are seeing annual premiums of $450 for your primary residence and $750 for a second home or investment property. These are usually identified as an X flood zone map. In a higher risk flood zone map, an A or V, this is where the premiums are getting downright ridiculous. On the NFIP program, we are seeing California flood insurance at $1,500 to $5,500. In this case, we would suggest that you look into private flood insurance market options. Finding great coverage. It's worth noting that most homeowners' policies don't cover flooding. Your best bet is to work with an agency that specializes in flood insurance and only flood insurance. That way, you can be sure they know the ins and outs of flood insurance. A well-versed agency can simplify the buying process by laying out each option in the most cost-effective fashion. Are you looking for flood insurance? No matter what part of California you're in, we can help. Reach out today and rest easy knowing that your home is covered. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.